Tonight, a country in chaos.
The world is coming to an end.
Horror in Haiti.
Are they alive? Oh.
Death at every turn. Bodies piled in the streets. Stunned expressions frozen on their faces.
We need more people down here.
The presidential palace, the national cathedral, parliament, prisons, hospitals and schools, entire neighborhoods reduced to ruins.
Oh my God, I can't begin to tell you. Hospitals are collapsing. It's horrible down here. There is no health care.
Tonight, the search for survivors and a race against the clock. Security concerns, a massive humanitarian effort, and how you can help on a special edition of South Florida Tonight.